Welcome to the Under 5-Minute Deep Dive. Why do 100% of airplanes need four main forces to fly? Let's discover the secrets of lift, drag, thrust, and gravity. So here's the scoop. Airplanes use four main forces to fly. First up is lift. Imagine lifting a paper airplane. That's lift. Next, there's drag. Think of it like when you ride your bike against the wind. That's drag slowing things down. Then, we have thrust. It's like a superhero push. That's what propels the plane forward. And finally, there's gravity. That's what's pulling everything back to Earth. Together, these forces work like a team to keep airplanes flying high. Pretty cool, huh? Now you know the science behind airplane flight. Keep exploring, future pilots.